I'd like you to imagine this. It's the year 2010, and there's this company that has been around for decades, but they are still struggling to connect with a younger audience. Now, don't get me wrong, this company has been around for a very long time and they've done pretty well for themselves. But they are beginning to feel kind of outdated because they do not resonate with the digital generation. This brand or this company is none other than our favorite brand, Nike. Now, as at this time, Nike was already a global powerhouse. I mean, this brand was known far and wide for the quality of the products that they produce. But it was not until they doubled down on their social media marketing that they were able to evolve their brand to this digital age. With campaigns like Just Do It, they made use of platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter to not just sell their products, but to create a whole movement. Their social media strategy was about engagement, storytelling, and making their audience feel like a part of something that was bigger than themselves. Fast forward to today, Nike has over 300 million followers across all social media platforms, and their digital presence is one of the reasons why they still remain top of their game till date. So what am I trying to get to here? Whether you're a big brand like Nike or you're a small business, social media marketing still remains a game changer. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how powerful social media marketing is and how you can use it to create lasting connection with your audience, to drive sales, and to build a brand that people will love. So you want to stick around for this one. First things first, why is social media marketing so important? Well, over 4.5 billion people, billion, not million, over 4.5 billion people are using social media. Whether it's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, people are spending a lot of time daily just scrolling through content. And that is your opportunity. If you're not showing up where your audience are spending most of their time, then you're missing out. Just think about it for a moment. Just hold up and think about it. Social media allows businesses to reach their potential customers in real time, allows them engage with them, build brand awareness, and even drive sales, all from the palm of your hand. And with the right strategy, you can scale up your marketing efforts like never before. Now let's talk strategy. Social media marketing is not just about posting. And this is one thing that a lot of businesses, a lot of brands, and a lot of creators need to understand. When we talk about social media marketing, we're not talking about just posting reels, posting pictures, posting flyers, and all of that. For you to successfully carry out social media marketing, you need a well thought out plan. So let's break down 3 strategies that are crucial for social media success. The first strategy is knowing who you are talking to. In social media marketing, you're not the boss of yourself. Your audience is. I'm sorry to bust your bubble, but you're not the boss of yourself. Your audience dictates everything. And by everything, I mean every single thing. From the platforms that you use, to the kind of content that you post, even to the time that you post them. Your audience determines everything. So you want to create audience persona to get a better understanding of the demographics of the audience that you're targeting, their interests, and their behavior. Always ask yourself these questions. What are the problems that my audience face? What kind of content do they enjoy? And how can my products or my services bring value to them? The second strategy to apply in social media marketing is constant branding and messaging. Your social media profile should reflect a consistent brand voice, brand look, and feel. So whether someone is seeing your post on Instagram or they're seeing it on TikTok, they should be able to recognize your brand. It's also very important that you do not forget your messaging. Consistency actually builds trust and it makes your brand more memorable. Strategy number 3. Engage and don't just post. Don't just be about posting. Also be intentional about engaging. Posting content is actually just half the job. Engaging with your audience is so important. Take time to reply comments, answer questions, and even start off conversations. Audiences and customers actually appreciate it when brands take out time to interact with them. It creates a sense of community, and so many people do not really understand this. You need to create a sense of community with your audience. They need to see your brand as a brand that is so relatable and a brand that they can talk to. This is so important, and to take your social media game to the next level. I think I like saying to the next level, but yeah, it's true. It will take your social media game to the next level. Always remember that social media is a two-way street, and engagement drives visibility for your content. So the more you interact with your customers, the more you interact with your audience, rather, the more people are likely to see your content and see your posts. Now that we've covered strategies, let's talk about practical tips that you can implement to boost your social media presence. The first tip is that you need to leverage video content. I know that they say that content is king, but in this era, video content is actually king. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok actually prioritize videos to static images. So make use of short, engaging videos to either entertain or keep your audience informed. You can create a content calendar and infuse video content like behind the scenes, tutorials, or even user-generated content. Second tip is that you need to use your hashtags wisely. Hashtags are actually a very good tool to help you reach your audience organically, but you need to know how to make use of hashtags wisely. And when I say wisely, this is what I mean. Don't just make use of popular hashtags or hashtags that are trending. Find an hashtag that is specific to your niche and make use of it. Don't just jump on any hashtag. Your content will get lost in the bandwagon. So find an hashtag that is specific to your niche and make use of it. Tip number 3, post consistently, but post smartly. Posting consistently actually helps you to stay top of mind, but it doesn't mean that you need to post 10 times in a day. No. You don't need to post 10 times a day. You need to prioritize quality over quantity. Posting 2 quality content will do you so much good than posting 10 content that your audience will not even resonate with. So create a content calendar so that you can stay organized and you can plan ahead. A content calendar would actually save your life. So if you've not been working with a content calendar and you've been doing social media marketing, I'm not sure how you've been able to do that, but I'll advise you that you create a content calendar. There's so many templates out there that you can use to help you create a content calendar. You can even make use of AI to suggest the kinds of content that you can post or you can make for different social media platforms. So there are resources around you. Make use of it. Make use of it. So in this video, I've actually shared some social media strategies that actually work. I've also shared some tips that can help you to boost your social media presence. But I like to tell you that the world of social media marketing is ever evolving and you need to always be in the know of the new trends and new things that are constantly coming up. So for the rest of this year, 2024, and even for years to come, there are trends, social media trends, or I wouldn't really say social media trends. There are trends that are actually going to take the center stage. For example, AI and automation. AI is really changing the game. And in no time, with AI-driven analytics, people would be able to predict the kind of content that would do well with their audience. Also, we have trends like social e-commerce. TikTok and Instagram have already jumped on it. With TikTok shops, audiences, customers, they do not need to leave TikTok before they can shop from their favorite brands. These are trends that are going to take the center stage. And you as a business owner, you as a social media manager, you as a social media marketer, or whatever form of digital marketer that you are, you need to be in the know of these trends so that they do not just catch you by surprise. So do yourself some good by checking them up on just a simple Google search. Would help you get more knowledge about this trend. I've come to the end of this particular video. I'm trying so much not to always have very long videos, right? I just want to keep it short and hope that I can deliver value to you guys within a short period of time. And I really do hope that, like I always say, you found value in this video. If you did find value in this video, you know what to do. Please do well to like this video, share this video to anyone and everyone in the marketing community and anyone that you know really needs to see this. And if you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Do you want me to start appearing to you? That was a joke. But please do want to subscribe to this YouTube channel because you do not want to miss out on all of the value that I have to offer you. Till I see you in the next video, do have a wonderful week and happy marketing.